Hey, this is Unit 8 right here. So I want to give you a quick update. We're going to have this one done next week. There's all this flooring stuff that we put in there. We left some flooring here, so we'll take that. But you can see here, again, all this is done. I've got a guy coming over to finish this up. Here's your flooring again. It's the same stuff we had before. You can see all this stuff is laid. We just got to put the quarter in. And it's in the bedroom too, so you can see that. You can see all this stuff is done. So we're gonna finish this up. It'll be finished next week, so we'll get this one on the market, we'll get the blinds and everything put in, make sure all the windows work, all that good stuff. But love the flooring, love the layout. We'll get those put back on, we'll put all that in there. So it looks good, it looks really good. So gotta get the guys coming over to finish this up, and then we'll get this one back on the market and get this one rented for you. Thanks, have a great day.